We are at my newest listing at 1260 McLendon Avenue, right in the heart of Candler Park. This is such a special home. It was built in 1910 and has been beautifully renovated over the years to keep that original character. As you walk in, one of the first things you notice is all this beautiful woodwork, all the details, the trim on the windows. It's really wonderful that they were able to preserve so much of the original character of this gorgeous home. So just off of the entryway is the living room with this amazing fireplace, walls of windows for beautiful natural light, and then a massive dining room that is perfect for entertaining, full of lots of original details like the china cabinet, the built-in bench. It's really special. Just off the dining room is this den that is open into this beautiful banquette, another guest bathroom, and then this beautiful kitchen. You also have this gorgeous vista of the backyard, which is an extra deep lot and room for a pool. We're now upstairs in the primary suite, and in addition to all of the beautiful original details, including this decorative fireplace, we even have a walk-in closet and also an ensuite bath. In addition to the primary suite, there are 3 additional secondary bedrooms upstairs, including this one that has access to this amazing balcony off of the back that runs the length of the house. You have a beautiful view of the backyard. We're now in my favorite spot, of course, this beautiful covered front porch. It's perfect for entertaining guests. It also sits up high and back from the street, so you have a beautiful view looking out into the neighborhood. In addition to the 4 bedrooms upstairs, there's a unique opportunity in the terrace level. There are 2 large rooms. It could be a perfect media room, an office, or you could even make it into a true in-law suite. Really, the opportunities abound.